Hello, this is ZeroToll. So ZeroToll is actually a DeFi, which is people can use swap from one chain to another or in several chain. For right now, it only works on Polygon Amo and Ethereum Sepolia uh, without having to pay gas in the native token. So user can always do swap even though they don't have the native token. How does it works? As explained in the README file, it works by using relayer, which is work as a courier for the user. So the relayer will pay the gas and do the swap in the user in the name of the user, and then the relayer as a courier of this transactions will deliver the token to the user and then um, charge more charge service charge money or charge fee for his service. Right now it work on Amoy and Sepolia, and we're gonna try first using the Polygon Amoy. So let's say I don't have any Pol token, so I only have USDC, and I want to buy a Pol token, or maybe a Wematic, let's say, or maybe Link, but I don't have the Pol token to pay the gas fees. So let's say the user want to buy because right now it has the adapter has it's a mock adapter, so it's not the real adapter from Uniswap and QuickSwap. So why don't I use the real adapter? Because the real adapter actually has uh, very few liquidity. So then I use a mock adapter, and I fund it with also USDC, Wematic, and other token. But because it's the mock adapter also use I fund it using a faucet, so the liquidity is also small. So it can only work with small amount right now, as the relayer doesn't and the adapter itself doesn't have a large liquidity. So the user will choose whether they want to use the input token as a gas fee, so deduct from the input source. From now on, I use the input token, or they want to use the output token, like the Polygon Amoy, the Wematic they will get. So it will be deducted. The user will not get this exactly number, but actually less than this number if they use the output token. If they use the input token, so the USDC will be less in their wallet to pay for the service of the relayer. And then after getting code, user can also set the max fee cap. Right now I use three in USDC, and if they use the output token, it will actually change to Wematic. If they choose to be stable to USDC, it's same with the input token. Let's just say you use input token and then execute the swap. Let's wait for several minutes. Um, okay, the swap actually already finished with pending, and this is the explorer. And also in the history right now, there are no history of the transactions. Why? I think there must be a failed transactions. Let's see. Yes, the transaction is failed with error transfer amount exit allowance. Oh, so the liquidity is is in the problem right now. We hope. I hope I get more faucet to make the liquidity work. Let's say we change to Sepolia. Maybe Sepolia will work. Change to Sepolia. Ethereum Sepolia. Okay, let's say USDC to buy WETH. Um, let's say we use maybe 3 USDC. Use the input token and then cap the USDC to also 2. So 3 with 2 USDC. Okay, the code said the estimated fee is 0.4 USDC, and let's execute the swap and see does it work this time in Sepolia. I hope the liquidity in Sepolia is working because the adapter right now has really low liquidity. You know, has it's hard to get Polygon faucet right now because Polygon all just send us 0.1 Polygon for each day. So yeah, it's hard. Let's see. It's so it doesn't work also in Sepolia. Very bad. Let's say, what if another one? What else I have? Maybe using link. Maybe. Let's see. What about if we buy link? Because link has 25 link, as I remember. You know, because it's easier to get faucet from USDC 10 for each hour, and the link faucet give us 25 for each day. So it's easier to get faucet for USDC and link, but it's always hard to get where ETH and especially the Polygon. Ah, same error. Well, I think I need more work on this one, but as deadline come up and I don't have time before the deadline, so I guess that's it for now. But I will work on it actually. So I hope before the jury started, I can work on my DeFi, my dApps. Actually, it uses the Oracle from Pit network. Why? Because it's free. The price bit is free, and right now they're just swap and a tab about market and history. But actually, it worked. It worked about several hours ago. Let's see. Let's see. This is the relayer address, and let's say the user address. So actually, 4 hours ago it worked. 4 hours ago it worked. yeah, 4 hours ago it worked. Yeah, because as I remember, it worked. So maybe right now the liquidity is low and it doesn't work anymore because it said uh, exit allowance, and there's no pop-up from there's no pop-up from the DeFi to user to sign the approval. I think that's the problem, and I will work on it. But yeah, I just hope the jury can see how this DeFi work around right now, even though it's not working as it should be. I don't know why, but it worked. It 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 was work. But yeah, I think that's my bet. Maybe some code doesn't work anymore, as I actually have did some changes in since 4 hours ago. I think that's it. Thank you, and I hope you like the ZeroToll. And I suggest you to read the README file because it actually, I think this is the breakthrough in, if it worked, and I do believe it will work. I just need more time. It will be the breakthrough in blockchain ecosystem because user doesn't need to have any. Uh, I mean, if you want to buy, let's say, uh, Link token or USDT using whatever token you have. Let's say you have Pepe token, okay? You have Pepe or another token. You want to swap it to USDC, but you don't have the native token as a gas fee. The relayer will cover it for you, but of course it comes with a fee, a fee of service. And for the next stage, I will add um, what do you call it? The pool for the relayer. So other user who want to provide liquidity for the relayer will get some chunk of the fee charged to the user who use the relayer service. Thank you. That's all, and success.